Winter is the best part of the year in terms of nourishing the body. This is the best time to heal oneself. Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Health Manager. Today we are going to discuss 6 very useful hacks that are going to make your winter more enjoyable, nourishing, rejuvenating, and healthy. First, to remove dryness of the skin, it is very essential to have a oil bath before taking a proper bath or oiling your skin. All oils are good, but my choice is always mustard oil as it is rich in vitamin E and it nourishes and soothes the skin. Oil bath is nothing but applying oil in your entire body and waiting for 15 to 20 minutes, and after then taking a proper bath without using. Applying oil in the navel part keeps the lips moist and nourished and prevents it from cracks. Dandruff is a very common problem during the winters, but in your regular oil, if you mix a bit of neem oil to your regular oil and massage your hairs properly and apply that oil properly in your scalp and leave it overnight and then wash it next morning, your problem of dandruff will be solved. And if you have excess of dandruff problem, then you should use neem oil completely and not using any other oil. Replacing soap with besan is a very good idea especially during the winters. If besan is mixed with curd or maybe mixed with honey, with turmeric, it provides as an excellent cleanser for the skin and it doesn't let the skin dry as the soap does. To combat the chilly weather during the winters is a big problem. No matter how many warm clothes we wear, but still it appears as if it is less. So here's the solution is Silajit. Silajit is a sticky black substance found in the Himalayas and it is rich in minerals. It functions as an antioxidant. It improves the immunity and memory. It has anti-inflammatory properties. It's an energy booster. It also helps to combat cold weather. 1 to 2 drops of liquid Silajit can be taken with milk, or it is also available in the form of tablets that can also be taken. Giloy, also known as Amrita, it boosts immunity, protects us from cough and cold, and even fever. And we can take Giloy directly from nature. 4 to 5 centimeter long stem can be taken as kadha, or we can directly take the this one tablets during the winter season. Surya Vedi Pranayam enhances the digestive fire. It helps us to combat cough and colds. So it's a must during the winters. Taking 1 to 2 spoons of ghee during winters keeps our body warm, prevents us from cough and cold, and also is a good source of vitamin E. So we should take ghee especially during the winters. Hope this information provided was useful. See you in another episode of Health Manager. Till then, take care. Bye bye.